Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Drum Baffle part #WE13X29725. The GE Drum Baffle part #WE13X29725 is a replacement part for a GE dryer. It is used to help reduce the noise from the dryer by dampening the sound of the drum as it rotates. The baffle is made of plastic and fits into the front of the dryer drum. It helps to keep clothes from getting caught in the drum and also helps to keep lint from building up on the inside of the drum. The baffle also helps to evenly distribute heat throughout the drum, which helps to reduce drying time. This part is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part and is designed S. This part fixes the following symptoms. The WE13X29725 drum baffle is used to reduce noise and vibration in a dryer. It helps to keep the drum centered and reduce the amount of noise and vibration that is created when the drum is spinning. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the dryer from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the lint filter and lint filter housing. 3. Remove the screws that secure the top panel to the back panel of the dryer. 4. Lift up on the top panel and remove it from the dryer cabinet. 5. Remove any screws that secure the drum baffle to the dryer cabinet, then remove it from the cabinet. 6. Place the new drum baffle into position in the dryer cabinet and secure it with any screws that were removed in step 5. 7. Replace the top panel and secure it with any screws that were removed in step 3. 8. Repla. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.